aner malaken yam kana zalin konti lenka roasni kanor online TV channel to kon karaj magoro no banwa yekel ramnen yene magwasa me ramisha interview ka vo Africa jen gwaz mulal written konan to la ka lengatin en rojadan chikan lat gwasa me ta danan chirik ki to jere wucha ka Juba mangai konan no te ka tije to ka gwade dane shane din kon tilla kwara SPLM IO chaga yen re wich ka Juba ka cha kwart dida long ka cha dor dakreng ma cha jagol ke de ni lo teram barar ka teram wurech no en mo che tension mi che je no ngolong wa che kume mala kum kirm yadit she power che je use alami gore jeno benad bakanak ke ba mal ba je yar muluno cha mal ba che je kutun yar ko ram yene de kontila opposition ngum de yen meta jor jeno shakor che je ngok shirga mandan en ling yena katin kon lat ko den gwaye chana roje me chana je ling mandan chalat gwa same ka jen interview me banatin ko ken bu kon ga ling boni bakalo ye ka ta dan en lada keje ka tay dana ci ko reke to jare wi ke Juba ne ka tukde chummen tam malat ka jen go dong te mal tala mal mate wi ke Juba jana jamilin kel and wanaten.
The current situation in Juba Paul is very tense. There is a lot of tension in town, and a lot of senior government officials from the SPLM IO have been arrested, including the Minister of Petroleum, the head of the military of the SPLM IO, and a number of people were arrested. And the house that belonged to the first Vice President, Dr. Machar, has been sieged for the last few days, and no movement, nobody is allowed to go inside his compound. So things are really getting into a wrong direction. The problem is a lack of political will from the government. I would say that what brings all this crisis is because government does not want to implement the peace agreement, specifically the security arrangement that can allow the country to have a national army by unifying all the forces. The government escalated the situation by sending more troops to Nasser town, which has been a spot where the civilians have been continuously fighting with the military, and this is in violation to the peace agreement, the security arrangement, because we have mechanisms set up to deploy those armed forces. We have the unified force. Some of them were graduated, and the government refused to give them arm and weapon, and then instead they use militia that belong to certain tribe and taking them to Nasser.
Just for the
Gwa kajo shaling gwa same shirgamanan and shaling malat kelong gwa same Ramadan chirwache ramkel members SPLM IO taye dana shirek to jere which ke Juba ngai kon diala no tin kon lat ko den rewi ke Juba no gati bej ko en jon en kon tilla jon were charge gorno lenga je nidin kontin tego kume kirm yadi chet ke SSPD apchire kore dana chitok. It should be avoid nigga time dana ne deja kapchongan go chikor ma chede tok dundo chikirm yadi chaje gor ngeda no dong mi chenyin kana jen dong de jakula losone ban men tin jene ere wishin wini mine ka gwase dana chikor ye to go jene ron kina dangra wi wal jok ngai kenen go korela to kam SSPDF kenen eten kontila halen go kormtede kore bab kapchon chonga medane sha malcha tan karon kin dangra wal badak jene dane kabro de chong chel chenyonu ishi ne de konela jejen borno shikana kunno kala to go bideni kirm yadit ne di shikan nang na walan go buga tere wi kan nasir but it was agreement dane sha tan ga gwaze dane no de maldar teten antem right now ala Juba chete kamal mwani chit kamaling na gwasame ano ba seniors officers ba kayan kinedin kontela kwara SPLM IO ba kayan na me regrodian mnyun je no telamal ke Juba anyong man biangat ne dia le sha yan ngal kan kanware no ne dia la military officers ne de kontela kwar chit ka kwar petroleum pot kang anyok anu ba dor kwarandine jen ba je ba jo gol de ni no mo nyudo no chetel malare wecha ka South Sudan ne me kenen konen da ke South Sudan tam right kone ko shukume che ne tin ala let's say it ala medana ken korka na togre we kan nasra che ne re kon la jejen bor shi ken right ke kuma shi kum jo ne go ne unify force non unify force and then big ben tere which but ken kana no den ku yana lingwaz malat ken men roje metin no me sha lat ne re kon la hale shi kan la no unify force anonga but instead kir me yadi cho un militia ne ning tat ken ning jane ning te actual ka gwele force kana bishop force and ana te ka bali la dung jan kene kon ke mobilize e wane de kon te kana ser wa ka disarm ke wa meken wa ka kep ena mo wa jene chete ka agreement e dan me chatan jene dan en chire ke to je nyom bi angat re wit ka greater penal state kelo an mi ci tuwo jen ci South Sudan nyoko mi daga jantam right corner mi kira ma yadi we welo we de din we jelon alo we re which kanasir ngat men butuwo bi ngaje no ci kor South Sudan ci ro ka chong bin bi kor ba nyoklo ten mi leni kore dan ron ci ndang ro wal jok ke jen gwaz mo cha mal cha bi nyoko mun non ka ja ko mi ci ro loy kare o ki ka diok cha mal cha ja lwan ka mun non ja ka kuji mo men dan la gwaz me kira ma yadi de jaram dan logo de mal darben ko in a state kene ko nan potential ke national army ki in 54 de gal let SSPDF chi national army chi de which edit party ke edit bon party kan jen so ko kujo mo na me gor je de nywa yekel ani biata kamal ban yo jegum radien bye bye